Alright, kids, gonna play a little Metallica or whatever in the background. Hopefully, it's get some good music. Not sure if you can hear it. In August 2008. August 2008, we're going way back. Alright, I'll try to do these as quickly as possible because I want to try to get through as much as possible, as much as I can today. It's uploaded for you. Alright, first one, just got to solve for P. Pretty simple. I think I'm drawing. Hold on. Red. I'm going to subtract the 2p, subtract the 2p, add the 1, add the 1. I think you see that we get 3p equals 21 or p equals 7. Not hard. 4. Next one. When you add 0 and nothing changes, that's the additive identity element. Nothing's changing. Remember, the associative property is who's in the parentheses change. So if you get x plus y plus z, on the other side you would get, x plus y plus z. Notice no order change, just what's in the parentheses. Additive inverses might be something like x plus negative x equals 0, or a plus b minus a minus b, or something like that. Where it automatically has to equal 0, but they're opposites, negative a and negative a, b and negative b. Those are additive inverse. And everybody knows the distributive property. Not really going to go over that one. 8 less than. Remember, lessons we skip. So 3 times a number, and then 8 less than that. So I've got to find the one with 8, 3x minus 8. So don't fall for the silly stuff. And then is greater than. Obviously, greater than looks like this. 15 does not look like an L, remember? So choice 1. Right, so far I've got 100%. Alright, so let's find the median. That one, that one, that one, that one, that one. The median is 6. The mode is 7. Just got to find the mean. Means on all of them, of course. Hold on, let me add these up. 10 plus 14 plus 11 plus 7, enter, divided by 7. So the mean is also 6. So 6, 6, 6, 6. So the mean equals the median. Choice 3. Choice 3. Alright, as soon as I see this negative with an inequality, I hope in your mind you're thinking, oh yeah, you got to remember to flip the sign. So bring the 2 over, and I get negative 4x greater than 8. Divide by negative 4, divide by negative 4, and you get x less than negative 2. Be careful. Less than negative 2 does not mean it's equal to negative 2. The answer is choice 4. Don't fall for silly stuff. Whenever you're going to factor something completely, you know the first rule of factoring is to take out the GCF. When you take out a GCF, we end up with one set of large parentheses. Dividing out the 2. Oh my gosh, 5 and 6 again. Isn't that weird how 5 and 6 always show up? Signs are different. 1 plus, in this case, the large one's going to be negative, or large one's going to be positive because of this. So positive 6 and negative 1. There's your answer. Positive 6 and negative 1. Another way to solve this problem would just be able to type in the original 2x squared plus 10x minus 12, and then put these all in the other one. Like I could put 2x plus 6, x minus 1 in my graphing calculator, and you will see that they graph exactly the same. Gas tank cards, or I think we've done this one already. It's going to start at 16 gallons, so we know it's got to be one of these two. And at 75 miles, which is right about here, I will have used 4 gallons of gas. Well, in this case, I've used 10 gallons of gas, so the answer obviously then must be choice 3. Here's 75. And I've still got 12 gallons of gas left, so I'll have used up only 4 gallons of gas. So choice 3, 2 is the answer there. I think we've done that one already. Alright, so 3ax plus b equals c. We'll bring the b over by subtracting b, so I'm looking for a c minus b equals 3ax, c minus b. We have to do everything else and then divide by 3a. Answer's choice 3. Moving on. Length of the hypotenuse of a rectangle. Bam, 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 bam. 34. Length of the hypotenuse is 34 inches, and one of its legs is 16 inches. Obviously, we're doing the Pythagorean theorem. X squared plus 16 squared equals 34 squared. X squared plus 256 equals, I have no idea, 1156. Minus 256 equals 900, so x equals 900. So x squared equals 900, take the square root of both sides. The answer is 30. Parallel to the x-axis. Right, so the x-axis is this one, right? And you got to remember that all lines that go like this, all horizontal lines are y equals lines. So it's y equals 10. Not y, that's got us over 5, that's 3 actually. This is the vertical line right here, x equals 5. Sam and Odell have been selling frozen pizzas for a class fundraiser. Sam has sold half as many pizzas as Odell. Together they have sold a total of 126 pizzas. How many pizzas did Sam sell? So, it makes sense in this kind of a problem to work backwards. So let's take Sam. These are Sam's. So Sam could sell 21, or he could sell 42, or he could sell 63, or he could sell 84. Sam sold half as many as Odell, so Odell sold more. So in this case, Odell would have sold 42, 84, 126. If I double that, I get 168. So Odell sold more, and I need the ones that add up to 126. So Odell, Sam sold 42. 11 is choice 2. Which ordered pair is in a solution? And honestly, on this one, I would just type this into the graphing calculator, type this one in the graphing calculator, and see which one of these points is on there. Since I don't have one on here to show you, I'm going to work backwards. I'm going to try choice 4. I have no idea if it's going to work. Y equals negative x plus 1. 2 equals negative 5 plus 1. Not going to work. This one's got 2 negatives. I'll try that one next. Negative 1 equals negative 5 plus 1. Well, that's positive 5 plus 1. That's not going to work. Let's just try 2. 6 equals negative 5 plus 1. Oh, that's it. Negative 5 is 6. 6 equals 6. Choice 2. And if you looked in your graphing calculator, what you'd see under x for negative 5, you'd see y1 equal to 6 and y2 equal to 6 if you look on the table. So obviously that's the right answer. Going on to 13. Swim team member dies. That's a parabola. Which equation represents the axis of symmetry? First of all, axis of symmetry equation is x equals negative b over 2a. So I know it's got to be x equals. Again, if I draw my line straight down, because this is the axis of symmetry, if I write the parabola, it is x equals 3. Nicole's aerobic class at fast-paced music. The rate of music is 120 beats per minute. 120 beats per minute. For 1 minute. How many beats would it be in that class that is 0.75 hours long? Well, that's a hard one. 0.75 hours is really 3/4 of an hour, which is 45 minutes. So 45 minutes is what we want. 45 minutes, and we want to figure out how many in 45 minutes. So I'm really just going to take x times 1 is x, and then 45 times 120. 54. All right, last problem for the first 15 here. All right. Okay, so notice that all the answers are with pi, so we're going to have to figure out pi. This is 80. Notice they all have 80. So really, the only thing this thing is asking is, what is the what is the area of this thing? Well, first of all, we know it's not that one. I know this is 8. And I remember that the area formula is radius squared times pi. Hopefully you have that memorized. The radius then would be 4. So 16 pi would be the area of that particular circle. But we don't have a full particular circle. We have half. So we got to write circles. So the answer is choice. And that's all you got for 1 through 15.